Today I am reviewing the Bosch Unlimited 9 Cordless Stick Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Bosch Unlimited 9 Cordless Stick Vacuum is an advanced cleaning solution designed for modern homes, especially for those who value convenience, efficiency, and thorough cleaning. With its cordless design, long runtime, and intelligent features, it promises to make everyday cleaning tasks faster, easier, and more effective. This vacuum is ideal for tackling pet hair, dust, and dirt across multiple floor types, from carpets to hardwood and tiles. Starting with the design and usability, the Bosch Unlimited 9 is a cordless stick vacuum, which means you can move freely around your home without worrying about power cords. This is especially convenient for larger homes or multi-level apartments, as you can easily move between rooms and floors. The vacuum is lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to use for extended cleaning sessions. The dark cream finish gives it a sleek and modern look that fits nicely in any household. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its long 60-minute runtime. This extended battery life allows you to clean multiple rooms or even an entire apartment in one go. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a fast charger, which can charge the battery up to 3 times faster than standard chargers. This ensures that your vacuum is ready to use whenever you need it, eliminating downtime and keeping your home consistently clean. Performance-wise, the Bosch Unlimited 9 is impressive. The vacuum uses a MicroClean brush with built-in LED lights, which helps detect fine dust even in dark corners or under furniture. The MicroClean brush can pick up more than 99.9% of dust particles, including microscopic debris as small as 0.3 microns. This makes it highly effective for maintaining a clean environment, particularly for allergy sufferers or households with pets. The vacuum's HEPA filtration system ensures that over 99.99% of dust and allergens are trapped and not released back into the air, helping improve indoor air quality. Another practical feature is the vacuum's dust compression system. With the compression slider, dust is packed tightly into the bin, preventing dust clouds and reducing the frequency of emptying by up to 50%. This makes the cleaning process less messy and more efficient, allowing you to focus on cleaning without constantly stopping to empty the bin. The Bosch Unlimited 9 also features a MicroClean Ring with an innovative visual indicator. As you vacuum, the ring lights up blue when the floor is virtually free of dust and particles, letting you know exactly when an area is thoroughly clean. This is a unique feature that takes the guesswork out of cleaning and ensures every corner of your home is spotless. Versatility is another strong point. This vacuum is designed to clean all types of surfaces, including carpets, hardwood, tiles, and upholstery. Its motorized brush head handles pet hair effectively, lifting hair and debris without tangling. The vacuum comes with 6 accessories, including crevice tools, brushes, and attachment for various surfaces, allowing you to clean furniture, corners, vents, stairs, and even car interiors with ease. Overall, the Bosch Unlimited 9 Cordless Stick Vacuum combines powerful suction, long battery life, and intelligent cleaning features into a sleek, user-friendly package. Its HEPA filtration, MicroClean brush with LED lights, and visual cleaning indicator make it particularly effective for homes with pets, children, or allergy concerns. The fast charger, lightweight design, and versatile attachments add to its convenience, making everyday cleaning less of a chore. For anyone looking for a high-performance cordless vacuum that provides thorough cleaning across all surfaces, the Bosch Unlimited 9 is a reliable and efficient choice. It delivers consistent suction, excellent dust and allergen pickup, and practical features that make home cleaning faster, easier, and more satisfying. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, fine dust, or everyday messes, this vacuum is designed to keep your home spotless with minimal effort.